Here's my WeatherTech floor liner out of my car. At my work, it gets really dirty. I work with calcium lime, and it's really kind of hard to get out and to clean. So I got me some of this WeatherTech soap and some WeatherTech floor liner protector. And we're going to follow the instructions and see if we can get this thing looking good. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? It's Drew. I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be testing out some WeatherTech soap and the WeatherTech floor liner protectant. So let's check this out and see if it's worth getting. Alright guys, I was reading the instructions and it says to wet the mat down, and it recommends taking it out of the vehicle. So just wet the mat down, then you're going to spray the cleaner on it, and then you're going to scrub it with the brush. So let's do that. Alright, got her wet down. Get some of that excess water off of there. Take this cleaner. Scrub it through there. I don't know if I'm blocking you guys. Take a brush and scrub. Let's go ahead and rinse it off. Now it says to wait for it to dry, so we'll be back once it dries. Alright guys, it's dry, and I did have to go over this twice, and it's still, as you can see in spots, it's still kind of stained, but that lime that we work with is real tough to get out, and it does stain the product. So all in all, I think on regular dirt and mud and stuff like that, I think this product will work good, but it didn't really work that good on getting the lime out. But like I said, that lime is really tough to get off. So now we're going to put the protectant on there, so we'll go ahead and do that next. Now the instructions on this does say to spray this lightly over the mat and take a damp sponge, or I have a microfiber towel, and spread the product around and let it dry. And they do not recommend to use this on interiors or anything like that. They say to only use it on your floor mat. So let's go ahead and lightly spray the product on here. Now I'm going to take my microfiber towel, just move the product around. let that dry and come back and see what the final result is. Alright guys, it's dry now. It's a lot better than it was, but it's still, I don't know if you could see that on camera, there's still kind of little stains and marks here, but it looks overall pretty good. I mean, it probably needs to be cleaned again, but like I said, that lime is very tough to get off. So I'm probably going to do a part 2 with my truck floor mat and do another video on it, because that just got regular like dirt on there. So we'll see what that does. I'll try to put a before and after on there so you can look at it. And until then, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and see you in the next one.